Hello everyone, welcome to Point Masters. I'm Harshita Alveli. Today we have Tanuja with us who is from Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, and she got placed in Accenture recently. So she's here to share her experience with us. Let's talk to her and get to know about the entire interview process in detail. So hi Tanuja,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine.
So firstly, I would like to congratulate you for getting placed in Accenture, Tanuja. We are very happy for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And yeah, could you please introduce yourself, Tanuja?
Okay, sure. So my name is Tanuja, and I'm from Meerut. I have recently completed my graduation from Meerut Institute of Engineering and Technology in Computer Science and Engineering branch, and with an aggregate percentage of 87%. And I have been placed in Accenture Solutions Private Limited with a job role of as a associate software engineer with a package of 4.5 LP.
Okay, super. So, are you currently studying or you're passed out, Tanuja?
Yeah, I'm passed out.
2021 pass out, is it?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay, super. So, was this an on-campus or an off-campus interview, Tanuja?
It was off campus.
It was an off-campus. Okay, so how many rounds were conducted in total?
So there were all four rounds that were conducted.
Mm-hmm.
First was cognitive and technical assessment.
Okay,
Second was coding round. Third was uh, sorry, it was communication round,
okay,
and fourth was interview. It was both HR and technical, both.
okay, okay. So, let's talk about every round in detail. Please tell us about the first round, Tanuja.
So on 17th of April I registered for the Accenture,
Mm-hmm.
and on next day I received a mail stating that you have advanced for the next stage,
Mm-hmm.
and you will receive for the further notifications for the assessment. Then
Okay,
on 2nd of May I got the credentials and all the date and time of exam.
mm-hmm.
It was on 5th of May.
Okay,
So it was in the mail. It was written that there will be two rounds: cognitive and technical assessment, followed by coding round. So
correct.
if you qualify the cognitive and technical assessment, then only you will get chance to attempt the coding round.
Okay,
So
so the first round was conducted on 5th May 2021.
yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, please continue. Tell us about the first round.
Okay, so in the first round, the cognitive and technical assessment, there were 90 questions, and we had to complete in 90 minutes. So five sections were there: numerical ability, verbal, logical, pseudocode, and technical.
Okay, so this was in cognitive section, right? Cognitive
Yeah,
assessment. Yeah,
yes,
tell
ma'am.
about the first section.
Okay, in the numerical ability, questions from average, profit loss, percentage, and HCF, LCM, speed,
Mhm.
distance, and time. These were the topics that were asked in that section. And in verbal ability, antonyms, synonyms, and
How many
error
questions
details.
from
Sorry, error,
numerical ability was asked, Tanuja? The first
around
section,
20,
20
around 20
questions.
to 20. Yeah.
Okay, so you had sectional time?
No, no. All was 90 minutes. We had to complete in 90 minutes, and we can navigate between the questions also.
Okay, you can navigate between the sections as well?
Yeah, no, there was not section. All the questions were there
Together. They were all mixed up. It
together.
was not separate
Yeah,
section. Okay, yeah.
yeah,
Continue, please. You were telling about verbal section.
yeah. In verbal sections, the section there were antonyms, synonyms, and error detection questions, and reading comprehension questions. That all I remember.
Okay.
And in
So how many
logical, in
questions from non-verbal was asked?
I guess they were 15 to 20.
Okay, 15 to 20 questions and 20 from numerical.
Yes.
Yeah.
And in logical reasoning, questions were from blood relations,
Mm-hmm.
syllogism, and sitting arrangement, and data interpretation was also there.
Okay, okay.
So
So this was logical ability. How many questions?
25, around 25 to 30, I guess.
30 questions. So all these three sections, you were given 90 minutes or you had one more section?
No. Two more sections was also there,
Okay.
pseudocode and technical.
Technical, was it coding or MCQs?
No, it was like from MS Excel, Word, cloud
So those were
technology, and
MCQs, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Tell us about the fourth section. It was pseudocode,
That
right?
was pseudocode. Yes. The questions was like find the output. What will
Mm-hmm.
be the output of the question? And some snippets were given, and
Okay.
we had to find out the output and like finding out the errors in the code.
Okay.
These were the questions that were
Mm-hmm.
asked.
Okay. So then
Yes.
the fifth section?
Fifth section was technical, MS Excel, Word, cloud technology, and networking questions were
Okay. So
asked.
how many questions were asked?
Yeah, 90 total. In
Uh,
technical,
yeah, in technical.
it was 20 around
Around
questions.
20 questions. So you had 90 questions. No, you're not sure about the questions, but you had 90 minutes to answer,
Yeah,
right? Okay,
yes,
okay,
ma'am.
super. So overall, was the time sufficient, Tanuja? You could answer all the questions in the given time?
Yeah, numerical ability took a lot time,
Okay.
but for me, logically reasoning was very easy, and I completed that in lesser
Okay. You could
time.
save some
So
time
I
over there where
Yeah,
you can
so I
manage.
was able, yeah, I was able to manage all the questions together.
Okay, so you answered. Okay, so this happened on
Yeah.
5th May, and then when did you get to know the results? I mean, when did you get to know that you are shortlisted
The
for the
ne
next one?
the next day I got the mail that you have cleared both the rounds. Sorry,
Mhm.
in the second on the 5th of May, coding assessment was also there.
Yeah, please tell
After
about the coding assessment. Yeah.
uh, after that, I had to wait for 10 minutes for getting the result that whether I have qualified or not. Then I got the chance to attempt the coding round. In
Okay.
that round, two questions were there. First question was very easy. It was sorting the array and finding out the second largest number. So
Mm-hmm.
all test cases passed for me in that problem. And second was, I don't remember exactly, but it was from elevator problem.
Okay.
It was
Mm-hmm.
from data structures.
Okay.
So only few test cases were passed in that problem for me. And so I was not confident enough whether I will clear this round or not. But next day I received mail that you have cleared both the rounds,
Okay.
and I had to select the date for communication assessment. The time was
Mhm.
given that you have to complete the assessment between 7th of May to 12th of May.
Okay. Within those 5 days, you had to take up the communication test.
Yeah.
Okay.
On 11th of May, I attempted that communication round.
Okay.
There were four stages in communication assessment. So in the first stage, questions were like we had to repeat the sentences that were spoken.
Okay. So they will be reading out a statement which you have to repeat, or a written statement which you have to read out.
Reading out the statement.
Okay. So there will be a statement will be written and you have to read out. Okay.
Yes.
So, yeah.
And in second stage, some questions were asked, and we had to answer that question in one or two words. Like if you had a chance to, if you had holiday, then what will you choose? Watching a movie or reading books? Like these
Okay.
type of questions, we had
Okay.
to answer in one or two words.
Okay.
And in third round, a story was told, and we had to repeat the same story in our own words.
Own words. You have to listen, understand, and then put it in your own words.
Yeah.
Okay. Then,
And stage was a topic was given, and we had to speak on that topic for some time.
okay, okay. So this was the communication test, which happened on 11th
Yeah.
May.
Yeah.
So was this an elimination round, Tanuja?
No, I don't think so, because all of my friends that who gave this assessment were passed.
Okay, so this is not an elimination round, most probably.
Yeah.
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 So then when was the final round held? So the
Yeah.
next was the last round, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
On 14th of May, I had to book a slot for the
Mm.
interview. Then I booked it for 17th of May. for the interview, and in that the interview asked me first. She introduced herself, then
Mhm.
she asked me to introduce myself briefly. Then after this introduction, she asked me about the project, what I have done till now. Then in the project, what were the difficulties that I faced during that, and how many team members were there, and what were the technologies that were used in that project.
Okay.
And some technical questions were also asked from data structures and OOPS concept.
Okay. So you could answer all of them. It was simple.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
So that's it. Anything else
So
was
it
asked?
was no, it was only it went for 20 minutes, I guess.
Okay. Just 20 minutes. These questions were asked.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So no
And
HR questions were asked?
no, no,
Okay. So this was the
only
final round, if I'm not wrong.
yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
And
this happened on which? Yeah, please continue.
on 17th of May it was done, and on 2nd of June I got to know that I've been selected to be a part of Accenture.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
So in within few days you got to know.
yeah.
And the
So
interview happened on which platform, Tanuja?
on Microsoft,
Microsoft. Oh, okay, okay.
yeah.
So this was the
And now
entire
I
interview process. Please continue.
yes, ma'am. And 16th of August I joined the Accenture.
Okay, you are currently working for Accenture then.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, super. So that was really nice. And yeah, do you have any tips or suggestions to your friends and juniors, Tanuja?
Yes, ma'am. One tip that if you there are many ways to solve the aptitude questions, but if you know the short tricks to solve them, then definitely you will able to solve save too much of time. And yes, Pond Master is the best place to learn those short tricks, and I would recommend everyone to join that.
Thank you so much. And how was your journey with Quant Masters, Tanuja?
It was very good. Actually, before that, I was very less confident that I will be able to get placed or not. But after joining that, I after the Himanshu sir gave the motivational stories, and all the short tricks that he taught us, and that helped me a lot, and I was able to get placed in Accenture. And yeah, and now also I've got an offer for Capgemini also.
Okay, okay. That's so nice, Tanuja. We are very happy for you. And once again, congratulations for getting placed in Accenture. And thanks for being here, sharing all the information, Tanuja. You know, right, how many students out there are trying so hard to get placed in Accenture. Your
Yes, ma'am.
experience will definitely help them.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Tanuja. All the very best for your future.
Thank you.